Do you think by following all the habits of successful people, one can become successful? No, right? If that was the case, life would have been so much easier. Hi guys, this is Ansha Chavan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be discussing about 5 habits that can bring some amazing changes in your life. We often try to cultivate some new habits that can bring some amazing changes in our life. It may be with respect to health and lifestyle. Habits can be like waking up early in the morning, doing intermittent fasting or journaling or meditation and yoga. These habits repeated on the daily basis can bring some amazing results in the long term. You don't have to make a list of habits and start practicing them every day. You just need to be consistent with 3 to 4 habits that shows ripple effect on other areas of your life. The first point is have a morning routine. Start it strong. An effective daily routine can be yoga, meditation, deep breathing, and anything that makes you feel good. You likely have more control over the day, and your day will be more productive, focused, and energetic. It helps in beating stress level, gives positive start, and increases your motivation level. The second point is declutter a night before. Cleaning the desk or work area will make your day more stress-free. Clean and organized workplace makes you feel more productive. If you are a mom and you wake up to the mess in hall and kitchen, you will be frustrated throughout the day. So if you make the habit of cleaning the hall or kitchen area the night before itself, the next day will be more fuss-free. Less to clean, less to organize and stress about. The third point is to-do list. Writing your to-do list is the great way to start the day, but writing your to-do list the night before will make you feel more organized. Planning your day ahead will save more of your time, and you'll be knowing exactly what you'll be doing for the day, and you can be much more productive. If you are a beginner, don't just start writing all the things that you have to do for the day. Be logical, just make a priority as like 3 to 4 tasks per day, so that it is easy for you to complete that tasks, and that will make you feel good that you have completed the task for the day. On contrary, if you make a long list and don't get things accomplished throughout the day, you may feel demotivated, and you may quit this wonderful habit. Point number 4, have a gratitude journal. Do you even realize how blessed you are? It's weird in a way that we take things for granted. To start with, start writing 3 things that you're grateful for. Being grateful for everything that you have in life will bring some positive changes, lowers your stress level and help you sleep better. People who practice gratitude relish good experiences, they have a good health and build strong relationships. Gratitude helps one to get tremendous good vibes that rushes directly to one's heart. When you are sending those positive vibes in the universe, you are welcoming abundance in your life. The 5th point is affirmations. Positive affirmations, or it might be the goals that you wanted to achieve. Visualize that you have already achieved something that increases your possibility of getting whatever you want. You are subconsciously sending those vibes in the universe to work for you. The trick is to say them daily or write it down daily. Once you say them enough, they become an actual belief. If you believe you are worthy of something and can have what you want in life, it makes it much easier for the universe to bring it to you. Be specific with whatever you want. Don't have generic goals like I want to lose weight, be more productive, or I want to reduce my screen time. Instead, you need to have exact goals like I want to lose 5 kgs in 2 months. I will be more productive by keeping all things that I need before sitting to work, or declutter my desk before the bedtime. I will be scrolling through the feed only for 15 minutes a day. This is the small habit that takes up daily few minutes of time can bring some major life-changing habits. The 5th point is stop procrastinating. Just get it started. It is easier said than done. You might be planning to start a side hustle or a new hobby, and just maybe procrastinating for some reasons, or not trusting yourself, or maybe worrying whether it will work out or not. If you don't start right now, how can you understand the challenges that come your way? Don't think more, be an action taker. Now, a few points that help you in getting things done are: point number 1, if there is something that can be done within a minute, do it now. Point number 2, if there is something that you have been avoiding or pushing, do it in early hours of the morning. This concept is called as eating that big frog, suggested by author of the book Brian Tracy, which helps you accomplish your hardest task first. The third one is use the 5 rule principle by Mel Robbins. The 5-second rule says, if you have an impulse to act on a goal, you must physically move within 5 seconds, or your brain will kill the idea. So whenever you want to do something, count the number 5 in reverse, that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just get going. Give yourself just 5 seconds to move with that decision. Trust yourself and your decision, and start your journey, and things will fall in place. You'll be surprised by the path you decided and walked into. Some of the other things that bring some changes in your life are pampering yourself, taking care of yourself, have a skincare routine, be mindful of what you eat, and drink plenty of water. Stop talking about those changes. Go ahead and execute things. As I discussed in the initial part of the video, that if everyone would make the same habit and follow them exactly, then life would have been much easier and everyone would be rich, or everyone might have done whatever they wanted to do in life. But habits need not be same for all. The one which works for others may not work for you. Whenever you start a habit, make sure you dedicate certain amount of time, like for a month, practice it for a month or more than that. Try to inculcate all the things that you wanted to do in those days, for a period of month, and check whether it is worth the time or no. Ask yourself, do you really enjoy doing it? Habits may be different for every person. One person may be a morning person and other the night. Example, for me, I'm not a morning person. I'm usually more productive at night. Understand where your strengths lie and on which habit you can stick to and get better results in your life. Dedicate the time to do something that you love to. You don't have to follow all the habits. Just follow 3 to 4 habits where your interest and passion lies. Make it a long-term commitment and achieve something that you wanted to do in life. So these were the points that I wanted to discuss with you guys today. What are your habits that have brought some major changes in your life? Comment and let me know. If you want to know more about personal development, then check out my other videos. If you like this video, then click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified about my upcoming videos. Click on the like button and tell me about your experiences with respect to habits. See you in my next video.